Good morning, students. This is Kiran Saswais. Today we are going to deal a new lesson number 3, Robinson Crusoe. This is the very interesting story and this is the different from the other lessons. Okay? So this Robinson Crusoe, this story written by a Daniel Defoe, and Daniel Defoe was an English merchant, writer, journalist, and even spy. You know, spy means jasus karna. Okay, Robinson Crusoe. This is the one book, and this story written by Daniel Defoe. Let's start regarding the books and the writer. Robinson Crusoe is the name of book by Daniel Defoe. Okay, Daniel Defoe was born in 1660. His father was a butcher. What is meant by butcher? कसाई, बकरे काटने वाला. And Daniel Defoe worked at a number of trades before he started to write at the age of 40. So regarding that, we discuss about the Daniel Defoe, and he was the merchant, and he doing the some trading there, and he starting the writing at the age of 40. So underline the age of 40. 40 साल होने के बाद उन्होंने राइटिंग स्टार्टिंग की. He wrote poems and occasionally wrote criticism of the government, and also he writing the poem and criticism means opposite of the government. He started the writing opposite of the government, which is he dislike. Sometimes he was sent to prison, and actually this is the happened with the Daniel Defoe. Sometimes he was sent to prison. Prison means jail. कभी कभी उनको जेल में भी जाना पड़ता था. Why? What is the reason? Because Daniel Defoe returned against the government, English government. So that's why sometimes he was sent to prison. When he was nearly 60, he wrote the story of Robinson Crusoe. He starting the story writing from the age of 40, and actually he's starting the books of Robinson Crusoe. This is the story of Robinson Crusoe age of 60, after 20 years of the starting the writing of the age. It was a great success and has been popular with children ever since. It is the first great English novel, and in this short piece of the book, Robinson Crusoe tell us how he become a shipwrecked. And this is the story in Robinson Crusoe. He tell us that how he become a shipwrecked. शिप चुराने वाला या डिस्ट्रॉय करने वाला कैसे बना, इसके बारे में डिस्कशंस यहाँ पे किया गया है. ओके, गॉट इट? द समरी ऑफ दिस short story. Okay, let's we start the real story. We started off on our voyage in a good weather. Voyage, this is meaning of this word is traveling by water, जिसे हम जल प्रवास भी करते हैं. We started off on our voyage in good weather. So actually Daniel Defoe said that regarding the Robinson Crusoe, he started the voyage in a good weather. जल प्रवास उन्होंने एक अच्छे वेदर में स्टार्ट किया था. although it was very hot, एक अच्छे गर्म वाले वातावरण में. After about 12 days, 12 दिन के बाद, after about 12 days, however, a violent tornado came from the north. Everyone have the idea about the tornado. This is the strong wind. जबरदस्त तूफान का नाम है tornado, and this is a came from the north. The waves rose high, the sky were black, and the wind howled through the sail. So what is the meaning of these lines? The waves rose high, लाटाएँ बहुत ऊंची ऊंची उड़ रही थी. द स्काई वेयर ब्लैक, द स्काइज वेयर ब्लैक, पूरा स्काई ब्लैक हो गया था. एंड द विंड हॉल्स थ्रू द सेल, और सेल के माध्यम से, सेल की माध्यम से वहाँ पर जो विंड का आवाज़ है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़ोरों से हो रहा था. 2 members of the crew. What is mean by crew? This is called the driver of the ships. खलासी, शिप चलाने वाले. This is called the crew. इनमें से 2 member. 2 member of the crew were washed overboard, and after a day or two, the ship began to leak. So what is happen here? The ship also began to leak. अब वो ship leak होने जा रहा था. We changed our course and drove out of the hurricane, but the next day, second terrible storm attacked us. So we are discussing about the wind, strong wind. First is the tornado, after that hurricane. So they passed the two strong wind. After that, the next day, a second terrible storm attacked us. उसके बावजूद भी और एक दूसरा वाला स्टॉर्म उनके ऊपर अटैक कर गया. We could see the shore of some unknown land, but the sea was very rough. Actually, they are traveling on the sea. So that time also he began to fear there, scared there, and after that want to reach the seashore. So that's why he could see the shore of some unknown land. कोई अनजाना एक सी शोर उनको नज़र में आया. But the sea was very rough. Very rough. Rough means aggressive. Very aggressive. समंदर एक भयानक रूप धारण किया था जब उनको किनारा नजर आया. The rain dashed down and we were afraid to approach close to the land. वहाँ पर बारिश भी गिर गई उनके सेल में, नाव में, एंड वी वेयर अफ्रेड टू अप्रोच क्लोज टू द लैंड. सो दे आर, दिस इज द वेरी डेंजरस because there is a one reason, sink to the into the water, and after that they were very frightened to approach the close to the land. वो अननोन लैंड को पहुँचेंगे या नहीं पहुँचेंगे, इस वजह से वो बहुत ही परेशानी में थे, डरे हुए थे. Our only hope was to clamber into a small boat and try to row to the shore. What is the meaning of that? Our only hope was the clamber into the small boat. So actually they are sitting in the this ship, and they want to clamber on the small boat. This is the boat, small boat. So we are discussing about this ship, and this ship's moving here very fastly, and after that the crew member and other member want to climb on a small boat and try to row to the shore. किनारे की तरफ पहुंचने का वो प्रयास कर रहे थे. 4 of us managed to get the boat into the sea. उनमें से 4 लोग मैनेज हो गए बोट में बैठने के लिए. and we jump into it. आफ्टर द शिप टू बोट. शिप वहाँ पर डूबने जा रहा था बिकॉज ही बिगैन लीक. आफ्टर दैट 4 लोग यहाँ पर जंप करके छोटी नाव में वो बैठ गए. जंप इनटू इट. वी रो विथ ऑल आवर माइट बट द वेव्स वेयर लाइक माउंटेन्स. रोज मीन्स ओर, जिसे हम, दिस इज द ओर. वी हैव टू मूव फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड्स. दिस इज द ओर, जिसे हम नाव को चलाने वाली स्टिक भी बोल सकते हैं. वी रो विथ ऑल आवर माइट बट द वेव्स वेयर लाइक माउंटेन्स. हम चढ़ने का प्रयास कर रहे थे, आगे जाने का प्रयास कर रहे थे, बट द वेव्स वेयर लाइक माउंटेन्स. तूफान की तरफ, पर्वत की तरफ उसके जो वेव्स है वो वहाँ पर थे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी स्टॉप हियर. ओके, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.